Hello guys. So I've been using POE for a good while now, and honestly, it feels less like just another chatbot and more like a full hub of AI tools I can rely on every day. Instead of bouncing between different apps or subscriptions, everything I need is centralized, which makes a big difference when you're trying to work faster and stay organized. What I love most is that POE isn't tied to just one model. Instead, it gives you access to a wide range of bots like Claude, Sage, and even Stable Diffusion XL for image generation. That variety makes it super flexible because I can use Sage when I need fresh brainstorming ideas, switch to Claude when I want polished writing, or jump into Stable Diffusion when I need visuals for my projects. For things like product descriptions, blog outlines, or social media concepts, having the right model for the right task really helps. It feels like having a whole AI toolbox in one place. The platform itself is really smooth to use. I was honestly expecting it to be clunky, especially with so many models packed into one app. The interface is so simple that even someone new to AI could pick it up in minutes. For me, that was a huge relief because I don't want to waste time figuring out menus when I just need work done, especially when I'm juggling content, product ideas, and daily tasks. I started with the free plan, which gives 100 messages per day, and that was fine at first for testing things out and getting a feel for how everything worked. But once I saw how useful it was, I switched to Pro Plus at $19.99 per month or $199 per year. You unlock unlimited access to everything, including GPT-4 and Claude Plus. The jump to the paid plan really made sense for me because I rely on it heavily for content creation, research, and even some coding tasks, and I didn't want to worry about hitting limits mid-project. One of the coolest parts is how customizable it is. I've set up my own bots with specific behaviors, so they respond in ways that suit my style, whether that's short and direct answers or more detailed explanations. It's almost like training a personal assistant that knows exactly how I like things, which saves time and keeps outputs consistent. On top of that, the image generation with Stable Diffusion XL has been a game changer for my social media content. I can go from an idea to a finished graphic in minutes without touching Photoshop, which is huge if you're not a designer or just want quick visuals for posts, ads, or thumbnails. Now, I'll be real, POE is not perfect on the free plan. The message limit can get frustrating fast, especially if you're using it throughout the day. And even with all the bots available, sometimes they give answers that aren't accurate or feel repetitive. Also, if you're completely new, the sheer number of bot options can be overwhelming at first. But once you figure out which bots fit your workflow, it feels like second nature and becomes much easier to use efficiently. For my team, POE has boosted productivity a lot. We use it for brainstorming blog ideas, writing newsletters, generating marketing copy, creating visuals, and even coding support. It basically saves hours of work every week and helps us move from idea to execution much faster. I also appreciate that POE is backed by Adam D'Angelo, the former CTO and co-founder of Facebook, which gives me confidence that the platform is here to stay and will keep evolving. That kind of leadership and backing matters when you're committing to a tool long-term. All in all, I'd say POE is one of the most versatile tools I've used. If you only want a chatbot for casual conversations, you might not need it. But if you're serious about using AI for work, creativity, and business, the paid plan is worth every dollar. It has become one of those platforms I keep open daily because it genuinely makes my workflow faster and more enjoyable.